This presentation is prepared for Connect for Climate to help them better understand their target audience and reach them more efficiently. Our research topic is on organic vegetable purchase behavior among Chinese communities. For our presentation, we will first explain on how our data are collected and then comes to the detailed data analyzed from focus group interviews and online communities. The findings will then be illustrated and followed by recommendations and research evaluations. So now it comes to data collection. The sample we choose are within the client preferred target audience range, which are people who concern about their future, trying to make changes, and are those who close to our lives with the similar age. The sample chosen are based on judgmental and convenience sampling, mainly friends who are at study and work. All the data collected from focus group interviews are ethically reviewed, with an overview of the topic, rules, regulations, confidential policy explained, and participant consent form signed. The design of the focus group guide starts with the welcome sentence and guideline explained, warming up the group's discussion from opening questions to introductory questions. Transaction questions and key questions are throughout in the discussion and end discussion with a brainstorm ending question. So based on findings from focus group discussion, a more detailed and focused semi-structured interview guide is designed. First, we set broad questions to get some general understanding of participants' purchase habit and feelings towards vegetables and organic vegetables, use as a clue to lead to the middle section of the interview where pursue ideas in more depth to understand their preference, concerns, and perceptions. The focus group are done at 7 p.m. where all participants are free from study and work on Saturday, and then the interviews are done at individual time slot. Apart from that, to gain social insights from social media, we choose the second largest social media platform Weibo, where Chinese are actively used to share their lives and stories on. We look into the organic vegetable hashtag groups, observe on photographs, audio, textual interactions of the participants specifically. The more detailed findings analyzed will be explained in the following slides.
Now let's move on to the data analysis process, which we will mainly discuss about coding and nanography. You can see in this penguin-shaped picture, there are some words we collected from our interviews. And in the left, we provided some examples. You can see the words being underlined are some in vivo codes we collected in our first cycle. Then we group them into our own words like distribution and personal concerns. At last, we categorize our second round codes into larger units. Based on our coding process, we define 14 codes and group them into three main categories. The first one is purchasing behavior. At this category, we found that participants can buy organic veggies both online and offline that are convenient to access. All participants spend at least 40 RMB per week, and they don't have daily needs on vegetable consumptions. Also, when buying organic veggies, they prefer the greens like lettuce and mixed salad leaves. We would say that well-educated people in the middle class within a well-paid income are more likely to be the target group. Besides, we found that social media platforms can be convenient to find the group, and participants rely on word of mouth in receiving the messages about organic veggies. The attributes category summarizes the data related to taste, appearance, features, and personal thoughts. At this category, the positive effects of good taste and appearance of organic vegetables to customers are shown. Personal knowledge on the features of organic planting can help boost people's willingness to pay for the vegetables. And the data revealed participants' positive thoughts on organic veggies, including their advantages like time saving, environment protection, and personal health. We define the last category as block and acceleration. Personal concerns, existing barriers, promotion, and projection of organic veggies are included. The data indicates that personal concerns on the credibility of the sources, food safety, and quality are subjectively influencing participants' viewpoints. Objective factors like pricing, limited channels, and insufficient certification may lead to customers' unwillingness to pay for organic veggies. And customers are willing to interconnect with organic campaign like being the spokesperson to spread organic lifestyle concepts. Furthermore, when talking about organic veggies, people can not only project their images to soil and dishes, but also to the vivid animals like cat, fish, dog, and sheep.
Next, we choose Weibo as the online community to study ethnography. We can see the content of organic vegetables in the posts of different types of key opinion leaders. These KOLs have the following types, such as fashion beauty, gourmet, nutritionist, and lifestyle. The content of their articles is roughly divided into 4 categories. The first one, health, fitness, and diet. From the observations in the online community, we found that those in the youth group who concerns about their weight are taking organic vegetables into their daily diet. They believe that dishes made by organic veggies are green and healthy, which can meet their daily needs on intaking nutritions. The second one, quality delicacy. Gourmet bloggers share their own dishes cooked with organic vegetables and also introduce restaurants that serve organic vegetables. They try to create a high quality food culture. The third category shows among the youth that have organic vegetable somehow represent a positive life attitudes and niche high standard lifestyle. It also generates a sense of freedom and relax. The fourth one, experience of being close to nature. Some people prefer to go to organic farms, learning about the planting process of organic veggies, and pluck those preferred vegetables by themselves. They think that organic farms can help release their pressures, feel much closer to the environment with fresh air, spread ideas on healthy lifestyles, and are good places for having fun with families and friends. In addition, due to the development of social media, consumers' attitudes toward information have changed. They no longer just passively receive messages, but also actively create messages. In general, users post on organic vegetables. The most common ones are product reviews and restaurant recommendations. This type of sharing can affect the consumption of young people. Next, we find that many people upload photos of their organic vegetable gardens and they create an image of healthy living. Finally, we have only seen a few examples talking about environmental protection. We are not surprised. The findings of lack of organic vegetable education also shows in our focus groups and interview research.
So after we finish our focus group and done with our interview, we summarize a lot of points concerning with our topic. Organic vegetables purchasing behavior differ like any other product, and the customer have different preferences based on their needs. And price plays a really important role when it comes to people buy the organic vegetables. And one's income also determine the nature of the organic vegetable they bought. Moreover, such as people is also caring about nutrition they could get after buying an organic vegetables. And some people preferences will go even to the freshness or how long the vegetables will stay fresh. And not everyone has a storage product, and therefore they prefer vegetables that will go for longer days. Overall, we kind of summarize those points into triggers to buy and the barriers to buy. And I'm going to introduce them into the next page. So when we talk about trigger in marketing, it defines as the events that cause prospects to realize a very clear need, which typically transform into a sense of urgency and purpose, says by David in 2012. And we conclude 4 main factors that most cause people to buy the organic vegetables. Firstly, the elegant packaging and the shelf environment in stores can give customer a bright sight to look and increase the possibility of buying the organic vegetables. Also, some people prefer to go to the organic farms, learning about the planting process of organic veggies and pluck those preferred vegetables by themselves. They think that organic farm can help release their pressures, feel much closer to the environment within fresh air, spread ideas on healthy lifestyles, and are good places for having fun with family and friends. And parents also could get a lot of information through social media promotion, so like they could cook for their children with better taste. From the observation in the online community, we found out that those in the youth group who concerns about their weight are taking organic vegetables into their daily diet. They believe that dishes made by organic veggies are green and healthy, which can satisfy to their daily needs on intaking nutrition. However, it has the shortcoming side of anything that prevent from buying what you offer, says by Josh on understanding the meaning of barriers, such as people are saying about the high price of organic vegetables. If there's a type of vegetables a customer will buy at a cheaper price, they will most likely go for that. And the limited selling channels of organic veggies, it causes a lack of awareness or knowledge on organic concept. On the other hand, people saying about the concerns for the credibility of the source of organic veggies. Some fraudulent sellers like make fake certificate mark in the vegetables that is not organic at all for a higher price. Also, with working pressures and the time limits, participants tend to use online shopping app to have food delivered to home. Lastly, we found out generally perceived organic vegetables are people who in the middle class and have higher income to go with, not for ordinary general. So here's are the barriers that organic vegetable sellers are facing right now. And next, we're going to talk about some recommendations.
Next, I'm going to talk about our recommendations. The first, they should make some interesting and beautiful guidance signs at the entrance of the grocery stores. This can not only target customers to quickly find organic vegetables areas in the store, but also hook the curiosity of customers who doesn't know about organic vegetables. Second, they should set some propaganda posters about the benefits of organic vegetables at organic vegetables areas, so normal customers who are led to here can learn about organic veggies and have chances to become to the future customers. They should put some Third, they should put some specific descriptions of the benefits brought by the organic veggies on the package. For example, to the organic carrot packages, they can mark a half cup can give you 73% of the daily requirement of vitamin A, 9% of daily vitamin K, something like that. This can not only educate customers the detailed advantages and benefits brought by the specific organic veggies, but also keep reminding them that organic veggies are more healthy than normal veggies. They should also invest more marketing advertisements to educate people the benefits of organic veggies on social media, such as TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. The reason is that young generations are more welcome to learn and accept new ideas, so they spend most daily time on social medias. Fifth, they should cooperate with schools and companies to have some organic veggies theme activities, such as annual sports meets, and set organic vegetables as rewards so winners can share with families and they can deeply feel the better sides of organic vegetables, such as better taste and better nutrition. And all the participants can learn about organic foods by chance. And six, they should have some discount days for organic vegetables. For example, every Friday, the organic veggies will have 20% off discount. This can attract potential customers and give customers chances to personally experience organic foods with lower cost. More importantly, this can make customers form the habit of purchasing organic vegetables. The last one is they should build more selling channels, such as build organic vegetable selling platform. Customer can order fresh organic veggies on their cell phone with few clicks and to be delivered to their home. And next is our evaluation of the quality. We think that based on analysis, most of our approaches have a high reliability and can be copied by other researchers. And second, when it comes to interaction with respondents, the approach was effective and ensured their consent was met. However, time limitation was a challenge which calls for better preparation before embarking on our research. And firstly, that participants were limited to young people who have studied abroad. Further researches are needed to regards to those who are local students. And fifth, lastly, Defining the target respondents on time will also help eradicate a challenge that we have faced. And the next are our reference list. Thank you.